Welcome to Homeoed, your gateway to excellence in homeopathic education. In this presentation, we'll take a closer look at the range of courses we offer to help you achieve your academic and professional goals. Homeoed is committed to providing comprehensive education in homeopathy. With a team of experienced educators and a learner-centric approach, we aim to create the next generation of our homeopathic practitioners. In the line of second year courses, we have a crash course for BHMS second year, including all the second year subjects, and the syllabus is as per the CBDC norms. The second year regular or full course is also available, taught by expert faculties. The test series for BHMS second year contains all the questions from all the second year subjects.